Hello everyone. Today I am talking about an exciting topic of exporting data from Google Sheets to Firebase. There are three steps of doing it. The first step is to set up a Google Sheets environment. In the next step, we will read data from the Google Sheets in Flutter. And the third step is to write data that we read from the Google Sheets to a Firestore database. So let's move. So I have a Google Sheet over here, uh, and I have a Flutter Firestore database. I want this data to be exported from this Google Sheets to this Firestore using my Flutter app, this one. So when the user clicks on the Read Google Sheets button in this app, data will be transferred and it will be exported from this sheet to the Firestore database. Now we will start with creating our Google Sheets first. So the first step is to create a Google Sheet that I have already created. I have 7 columns in this sheet with data available in it. The second step is to give a sheet name. I have given it a name phone directory. And the next thing is that you need rename the sheet. Over here I have renamed it to the contacts. So this is my sheet name. Now for setting up these sheets to be read by the Flutter app, we need to have some settings in the console.google.com. Sorry, console.cloud.google.com, and this is the main page of Google Cloud Console. You need to create a project. You can create a new project by over here. I will say new project and I will name it as G Sheets project. Click on create. Now it is creating the project. We have created the G Sheets project. Select the project. Once you have created the project and you have selected, search for the Google Sheets API. Here it is. I will click on this Google Sheets API. And click on enable. It is enabling. So we have created the Google Sheets API. It is enabled. The next step is to click on the credentials and create credentials. Then click on the service account. Give a service account name. For example, I will say G Sheets for Flutter. You can give it any name. Click on create and continue. Service account created. Click on continue again and click on done. So we have a service account created, which is this one.
And we want to select the JSON.
Now click on edit, select the account and you edit it. The next thing is to create a key. So click on the keys, click on add key, create a new key. and select the JSON and create. So it will create for you a G-Sheets projects JSON file. You can save it to anywhere. I will save it in the downloads folder. Let me open the JSON file. Here is the file, and we will use this information in our Flutter application. So keep this file, we will use it after some time. The next thing is that you go to the details. Here is the email, copy this email address, Control C, and then go to the sheets. And when you come to the sheet, we will share this sheet with the email that we have selected. So over here, I will give the email and I will send. So I have granted permission to that particular account to access this sheet, context sheet in the phone directory.
Just copy this one.
So with this, we have completed the first step of our application. Then we will go to the next step, and that is read data from Google Sheets in Flutter. So I will go to my Flutter application, and in the Flutter application, the first thing you need to do is to go to the pub spec YAML file and add the dependency for the Google Sheets, and that is the G Sheets dependency. I have 0.4.2. It depends on your application. This is what we have to do in the pub spec YAML file. The next step is you go to the main to your main program, and over here you import the package gsheets ... and you need to copy this code const credentials, and the credentials will be taken. This is the format, and the credentials will be taken from the JSON file. As I told you before, this is the JSON file. Just copy these credentials that you have downloaded and put it over here, in copy and paste it here. So you will have these credentials. The next thing is that you define a spreadsheet ID. This is a constant, and the spreadsheet ID, it will be taken from the Google Sheets. Go to the Google Sheets and copy this part from here /after/d up to here. Copy it and give it in the credentials in the spreadsheet ID. This is the ID. So these are at the top. You have to make these two changes in the program. Now I have this elevated button in my app, and when the user clicks on this button, the function is called read data from the Google Sheets, and this is the function. Now in this function, the first thing that you need to do is to have a collection to the reference. I have given the collection reference as context 3. You can give it any, for example, you can give it context 2. I'm using context 2 because I don't want to mix it with my original context collection. That's why I have given it context 2. Now the next thing is that you need to have a G-Sheets variable which refer to the Google Sheets. Now when I have with this statement, it will use these credentials, and with this statement, when I apply this statement, it will have a reference to the G sheet. So with this statement, I will have reference to this particular G sheet. Now in the next statement, SS awaits spreadsheet with spreadsheet ID. It will refer to the spreadsheet. Now with sheet, since there will be different sheets in this we will have Firebase users and we have the contacts. So over here I will give it the sheet name as contacts, because I have two sheets and I want to refer to this particular sheet. So I will refer to the contacts. Now rows, int rows sheets dot row count, it will return the number of rows in the sheet. And var cell rows, it will refer to one cell, one row of the all cells in the row for that particular sheet. Now the next thing is that I apply a for loop which goes through the all the rows in the sheets. So it will start from one. Why I'm taking start from one? The reason is that at location number 0 I have the title, so I will ignore the first row and I will take start from the second row. So I will take start from this row, and over here I want to print elements at 2. So it is column number 0, this is column number 1, this is column number 2. Now for the time being I only want to print the names of the contacts on the screen. Now, sorry, this is the program. Now let me run it. When I click on the Google Sheets, here is the run. Now it is printing me the names of the, over here, the names of the contacts. So all the names are displayed from the Google Sheets over here on the screen. So we have in this program we have read the data from the Google Sheets and displayed it on the screen using Flutter. In the next video I will tell you how to put this data or how to export this data to the Firebase Firestore database. So stay connected. Thank you very much.